not know enough to know which stocks to buy. They won't know enough to know when to buy them, but they don't have to, because if they can buy all of America through an index fund.
Because realistically, you and me, we're not really going to have an insight into, oh, I reckon Apple's going to do really well because whatever, or I reckon Disney's going to do really well because whatever. There are literally financial professionals whose full-time day job it is to do that kind of analysis. And even then, they don't get it right a lot of the time. And so what you can instead do is, instead of worrying about stock picking, what you should do, probably, not financial advice, lol, is invest in an index fund. And that begs the question, what the hell is an index fund? Well, an index fund is a fund, and a fund is a basket, like a group of stocks and shares, or other things, but stocks and shares, for example. And the index component means that this fund tracks a particular stock market index. For example, in the US, there is a really famous index fund called the S&P 500. And this is basically the top 500 biggest companies in the US. And you can see here, these are the components of the S&P 500 right now. So Apple makes up 6.4% of the S&P 500, because it's a big company. Then we've got Microsoft, Amazon,